Peace family, EsiK the Homesteader here with a follow-up of her homemade detergent. Alright you guys. So, I forgot who made the comment, so I said let me get on in here and do this for her. So, I wanted to show you guys what it is looking like the next day. So, it's going to be like a gel consistency. Y'all see how hard it is for me to dig in there? Y'all see that? Y'all see that glob? Okay, and y'all probably can still see it in the bucket. So what I'm gonna do is empty out some. I'm gonna try to do half, and what I'm gonna do is use my stick blender to loosen it up. Now you can loosen it up with a stick, or you can use a stick blender, however you choose to do it. There are plenty of ways you can do it. You can layer it up. And I'm going to add some drops of my lavender, pure lavender oil. I'm probably going to do about 10 drops here. And I tell you, this is the, this one is the Zote. And I already told y'all how good the Zotes smell. So I'm going to bring this in as far as my mixer will let me go. Keep going just like that. Now my stick blender is not that long. So remember I was telling you guys you can use a stick blender, like a contracting stick blender that they use to mix up they cement and other things that they use on the job. That will work perfect. But I don't think I have one of those. I don't think so. So right now, I'm just gonna layer mine like so with my and do it with my that is actually my soaping stick blender. And you could go according to your smell, 10 to 20 drops or whatever oil you want to use, whatever fragrance. And then I'm going to do a little bit more, and then what I'm going to do is try to take my stick blender and blend in as much as I can in this bucket and then top it off, because I can't go that far down with that stick blender. So that's why I'm doing it like this in layers. Y'all see what it's looking like? Whoop, whoop. So this is what your next day is going to be looking like. And some people get in there and they do it with their hands. I know I'm making a mess, and I could do that right now because my kitchen is a mess right now. So, how far I could get down in this bucket. So it's kind of like half and half right now. And I know all of us love lavender. When I change my sheets and blankets, I spray lavender on my sheets. And oh, we all know lavender is relaxing and soothing. guys still with me. I know it's noisy, but it is what it is. Okay. Y'all see all that goodness there? And you see I still got a clump at the bottom, so I'm gonna try to get as far down as I can, and I should be able to now get a little further. And I was saying that some people break this up with their hands. They get in there and break it up with their hands. More gloves down there, and that should be it. And I think what I'm gonna do is just do me about 2 loads. I'm gonna do me probably about 2 loads of clothes. Okay. Boy, this stuff smells so good. All right, you guys, y'all see that? Get it on in there. And I'm going to save this for my load of clothes. So, that's how easy it is to make your own detergent, you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys give it a try. I remember one time I made some Castile soap, a whole 5 gallon of Castile soap, when I first started soaping, and that soap lasted us for a whole year. So I'm hoping that I can get to that as soon as possible, but I have to be ready and set up with all my ingredients. And right now I'm not able to do the soaping from scratch, but I will be doing those from scratch to show you guys how easy it is to make your own Castile soap that'll last you. You make a 5 gallon bucket of soap, you put it in a giant box, let it cure for the next month or so, 4 to 6 weeks. You got you a whole year's worth of good soap. So I will definitely bring you guys a video on that. Let me turn this up some. So yeah, you guys, y'all see how easy it is to make your own detergent. And again, this smells so good. And like I said, if you choose to, you can always add OxyClean in it. When you set your load, you can add extra borax or extra superwash to make it more concentrated. You could use your regular bleach with it, you know. So yeah, it's a good way to save lots of money. I think it was Love Notes left a nice comment, and she was so on point with that. Those ingredients that I showed you guys on the last video, you can make about 10 of these buckets with just those ingredients. That 1 box of borax, that 1 box of super wash, and what else, the essential oil. And yeah, that 1 box will give you at least 10 of these buckets and 10 bars. Make sure you got your 10 bars, the Neffels or the Zote, and you got you over a year's worth of detergent. It's easy to do, it's fun to do, and I hope you guys try it. and see how you like it. It probably takes some getting used to because we so used to all the fancy stuff, the Gain and the Tide and the Persil. Y'all know how we are, but it works, okay? So when times get rough, which we're going to see soon, you just going to be glad you got some soap. That's why I told y'all, stack up on that soap and stack up on that Niffles. Get it. Stack them up. Get you $50 worth of that soap because it'll last you a long time. Even if you got to get out there with that scrub board with your clothes, it's going to work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a blast doing it for you guys. And I will see you guys on the next video because Essie got work to do. I told y'all this situation ain't going to stop me. I'm moving. Y'all better keep up. All right, family. This is EsiK. I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you stay safe. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.